All right, thanks a lot for the fill, guys. Great night. A 3 Eminence night. Our first two cases. 1 of 1 Ronaldo, fat one. 1 of 1 Ronaldo, skinny one. So let's hope there's something insane in this one too. Got 2 sick 1 of 1s in one night. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Simply search Soccer Breakers FC. What else? Check out our website, www.soccerbreakersfc.com. Anyway, guys, thanks again. Went through 3 cases tonight. Oh, we're not going to open the case yet. We got to do the random for the draft order. Again, one thing to make clear, guys, this is a 3rd round reversal draft. You guys are all familiar. Will, if you're not familiar, that means we go 1 through 6, 6 through 1, 6 through 1. It's fairer that way. That means if there's a 13th card, it's going to go to the person in the 6th spot, not the 1 spot. That would be unfair to have not only the 1 spot get the first pick, but also get the extra cards if there's more than 12. So the way we do it, we go 1 through 6, 6 through 1, then 6 through 1 again. So basically, if there's 13 cards, the 6th spot gets 3 cards. If there's 14 cards, the 5 and 6 spot each get 3 cards. If there's 15 cards, the 4, 5, and 6 spot each get 3 cards. So anyway, you get the picture. All right, let us get started. Move these around. Get that out. Get this out. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck, good luck. This is for the draft order. I hope there's a million sick cards in this case so everybody makes out. If this is like that hot case we had the other night, everybody will be ahead, all 6 people. All right, so we got Will, Ithisai, Swiggy, Brian, Trong, and Brian. There you have it. Make sure I did not screw that up. Will, Ithisai, Swiggy, Brian, Trong, and Brian. Okay, we're going to roll the dice. We re-roll Snake Eyes, otherwise we go with it. 6 times. 6 times on the die. All right, guys, we're going 6 times. 1, 2, we're going 6, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. Good luck. 6. Swiggy, Ithisai, Brian, and Gia, Will, and Brian. Sorry, on 6 times. Sorry, Brian, man. Who knows? Maybe it'll be an insanely sick case. Let me print this out. Congrats, Swiggy. Swiggy's killing it tonight. All right. Swiggy, Ithisai, Brian, and Gia, Will, and Brian. So again, guys, it's gonna, if there's more than 12 cards, it's a 3rd round reversal draft. So that means Brian and Will, you guys will get the extra cards if there's more than 12. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Good luck. Good luck, Swiggy. Swiggy's like, hit me another 1-1. Swiggy's like, hit me one more time. Hit me, baby, one more time. Wow, Swiggy's like, just the first pick, not your draft spot, huh? Because you get 2 cards. Does anybody want to buy the first pick for 3 G's? You like the 12. All right. Yeah. Let's see. Jeremy, you want the first pick for $3 grand? Go Swiggy. Dr. K's watching. I can't believe it. My buddy's watching. Yeah, this stuff's insane, Dr. K. This is $8,500 a box for this stuff. All right. People don't believe it when I tell them how much this product is. Tianjing says 2K I'll give you for your one pick. Before I show it, well. Swiggy says $29.95. $2,900, Swiggy says. You got a deal. Yeah, he missed all the action. He's back. Are you back, Yidhi? That's right. All right, I'll text you. All right. All right, all right. So we're ready to go? No deals made. All right, again, here's our draft order. We got Swiggy, Idhisai, Brian, Trong, Will, and Brian. So try to, if we can get this draft going while we're on, that would be great since everybody's here. We've never actually done one. I'll give you like 10, 15 minutes per pick if you want. But we'll see how that goes. All right. First card out, we got Luigi Riva, 9 of 10. Luigi Riva. That's Italy, 9 of 10. We haven't pulled a lot of that guy. Guess I'm out of, I'm getting 4 more cases tomorrow. I thought I had plenty for the weekend. I might have to go pick up some more. I know 4 cases is going to be enough for the weekend. We did 3 tonight. Luigi Riva. 9 of 10. Then we got Blanco, 7 of 10. Blanco, 7 of 10. Blanco, 7 of 10. Luigi Riva and Blanco. And then we've got Manuel Neuer, 9 of 10. Manny Neuer, 9 of 10. Yeah, it is not like the loading. Exactly. I was like Blanco and Riva and Neuer. Not cutting it so far. This next one's nice. How about 1 of 5? Roberto Lewandowski, 1 of 5 with the little yellow diamond. Little yellow diamond action. You can pop it out. Make your girlfriend a nice little earring. Yellow diamond. Robert Lewandowski. Joe, you'll text me after break. Okay. Oh, yeah, I was going to ask, did you resend that NT stuff? Or, yeah, just text me afterwards. Sorry, man. With all this Eminence money coming in, it's almost hard to tell. Like, that's... The balance moves so quickly. It's hard to tell when we're doing Eminence. Normally, I'd notice like a $3,000 deposit, but when we're doing Eminence, it's kind of easy to miss. All right, next row. Next row. We've got Rivaldo, 4 of 10. Rivaldo. Rivaldo, Rivaldo, Rivaldo. Rivaldo, 4 of 10. We do have a 1 of 1 coming up. 10 of 10, Wesley Schneider. 10 of 10, Wesley Schneider. This is 8. I get the feeling there's going to be more than 12 cards in this, because usually we have 4, 5, and then 3. But when we have 4 and 4, usually that's followed by a 5. So I'm guessing 14 cards in this is what I'm guessing. 10 of 10 Schneider, because usually it goes 4, 4, 5, 1. Or 4, 5, 3 is usually how it goes. We'll see. Bodes well for Brian and Will. Don't quote me on it yet. Wesley Schneider. And then we got Alan Shearer, Masters of the Pitch, 5 of 5. Five of 5. And then the next one's going to be one of the top hits in play for sure. Who knows? I don't know if it'll be the one hit, but potentially could. 5 of 5. She got this insanely sick hit right here. How about Miroslav Klose, Diamond Autograph Record Holders, FIFA World Cup Leading Scorer, 1 of 1, Miroslav Klose. Diamond Autograph, that's nasty. One of 1. Yep, hopefully 2 nicer hits than that. That's right. So at least that'll be one of the top 3. Well, that one should be for sure one of the top 3. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, I was right. We got 5 more coming up. Got 5 more coming up. Wow, is that gold or... Whoa! Wow, I think you're going to be happy, Swiggy. I think you're going to be happy. I don't even know what the 2-pick is here. I think you're going to be happy. Trophy case, 9 of 10, Xavi Hernandez. 9 of 10, trophy case. Then we've got 1 per case lately. 1 per case, Philip Coutinho, 3 of 10. It's like every case there's a Coutinho. 3 of 10, Philip Coutinho. I want to say that's like, I don't know, 4 or 5 cases in a row we've had. Or maybe 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 6. And he's going to be spending. 3 of 10. Who's got the first pick? Swiggy has the first pick. I'll tell you, the first pick in this draft is not clear at all. It's not like a easy pick. There's 9 of 10. I don't know which one of these is better to show. All right, let's show... I guess let's show this one. I don't know. Let's show this one. How about Diego Maradona, 5 of 10. And I'm guessing that could be like the 4 pick or Diego Maradona. Maybe the 5. I don't know. 5 of 10 Maradona. We got a gold. We got a gold piece coming up. 5 of 10 Maradona. We've got a gold 2 of 3, 1 troy ounce of solid 14 karat gold. That's a $700 piece of gold right there. You take to your local pawn shop and pop it out. Two of 3 Messi gold. Man, I don't know. Honestly, I think the top 3 are, I don't know, top 2, 3, 4, all are pretty sick. Two of 3. And then our A auto is a sick one. 5 of 5 signature salutes Ronaldo. 5 of 5. We got 5 of 5 Ronaldo diamond, 1 of 1 Close diamond. We've got gold Messi. We've got a Maradona. Plus we're not done. There's at least one more card on the bottom here. Come on, one time. Be something insanely sick. Be something insanely sick. All right. Alrighty, it's a book. It's a 4-way book. I guess it's a Spanish hit. It is Costa, Torres, Piqué, and Casillas. Yeah, that one wasn't so hot. Decent, but not anything to get too excited about. Costa, Torres, Casillas, and Piqué. So that'll be and that's it, guys. So Swiggy, the question is what to do, what to do, what to do. He and I got picked too. Go ahead, Brian. I'll let He know he's on standby by text. So if you want to make an offer on it, feel free to do so. All right, let me do a recap on this so you guys can see how many are in the right spot. All right, move this out. See how deep this is. This goes. Let me grab a sleeve for this. I'll stay on. It would be fun if we could just get the draft done now. So take your time, Swiggy. Do look up your. I'll give you a recap here in a second. You guys can look up your cards and see what you want. And then Brian's gonna make a blow our mind offer for the toothpick. All right, the 1 pick is up. Let's start with the lesser hits first. We got Luigi Riva, 9 of 10. Luigi Riva, 9 of 10. Okay, so you picked. You want Ronaldo, right? So that's the number 1 pick. 1 pick is off the board. No, you got 3 and 6. You got 3 and 6, I thought. That's the, you got 3 and 6. That's the results of the random right there. I printed it out. Trong has 4. You have 3 and 6. Did I say 4? Yeah, you got 3 and 6. All right, so the one pick already is done. I got to consult with my partner, but I'm like 99.9% sure what we're going to take. So that goes to Swiggy. But before we do, if you, Brian, let me know what you're thinking, and I'll run it by It. 3 and 10. All right, let me ask I think. What we're doing. All right, let me see. Okay, let's see what pick 10 would be. Give me a sec. He's asking me what's pick 10. All right, 1. Let's see. That would be 2. That would be, let's assume this goes 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it gets pretty thin towards pick 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. what's he saying? Hold on one sec here, Brian. I just want to make this offer to you before if I understand him correctly. Give me one sec here, guys. Yeah, sounds like he doesn't want to. I was trying to see if I could make an offer with the 3 and the 6, but he doesn't even want to do that. All right. Sounds like we are. Yep. Yeah, sorry. We're going close in the 2 spot. We're going with the close in the 2 spot. So if you didn't want that, then you made out, but you really wanted the close it. So close it with the 2 pick. I was trying to see if we could offer like for the 3 and 6, but he's like, well, what's the 6 pick? And you know. Yeah, no, I figured. I mean, that was pretty obvious. I mean, the consolation is there's 2 nice hits. There's a gold Messi and a Maradona, but 1 of 1 Klose is. Yeah, honestly, I was like torn between those 2 cards. I was pretty torn, but I mean, I kind of prefer that myself, but it was. I mean, I think this probably will sell for more, but for my own PC, Messi Gold. Yeah, that seemed like the logical 3 pick there because that's a $1,000 card right there. All right, no problem. Thank you, Idhi. All right, Trong, you're up with the 4 pick, which also seems pretty. So that goes to Brian. Chong says Maradona. All right, so now it's Will. Will, let me give you your choices here. All right, so in the 5 hole, cards left right now. We've got the 4-way book, Costa, Torres, Casillas, and Pique. That is numbered to 10. We've got 1 of 5, Diamond Lewandowski. 1 of 5, Diamond Lewandowski. We've got Coutinho, 3 of 10. Coutinho, 3 of 10. And then we've got Xavi, 9 of 10. Blanco, 7 of 10. Well, I mean, you probably don't want those anyway. So probably that's about all you're really considering, unless maybe the Shearer 5 of 5. Yeah, he's a 1 of 1 hog. Yeah, that wasn't bad for the 4 spot to get Maradona in the 4 spot. Yeah, but I would have taken this 2 and 3 myself. But all right, so the 5 pick is Will. Let me know if you want to see anything, Will. But probably you got Coutinho, Masters of the Pitch, Lewandowski to 5 diamonds, or you've got the book. Yeah, this isn't really that deep. I mean, we've had some really sicker case. Nice case up top, but after that, it kind of has a big drop. Yeah, there was no relic auto. You're correct. No relic auto in that case at all. So take a look. 1 of 5 Lewandowski is one of the options. 3 of 10 Coutinho is one of the options for sure. This is kind of probably, I don't know, I'd say it's those unless you're a Spain fan. You got Costa, Torres, Casillas, and Pique quad patch autographs. Yeah, but it's pretty weak. I mean, it's needed to have a sicker book. I mean, that's kind of a not very sick book for, like, the case itself wasn't very strong. Definitely the weakest case we've had tonight, even though it has the 2 extra hits. Will, if you're here, just type something. I don't mean to rush you. I just want to make sure you're still here. So if you're here, just type something, thinking or researching or whatever. That's fine. But I just want to make sure you're here and we're not. Will, just let me know if you're still here. Palmetto. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, I can recap the picks that are. Pick 1 that got taken was Ronaldo. Pick 2 was Miroslav Klose, 1 of 1 diamond. Pick 3 was Messi, gold, 2 of 3. Pick 4 was Maradona. Those were the ones that were already picked, so those are not available. And then I was saying your best bets in pick 5 are either Lewandowski, 1 of 5. Coutinho, Masters of the Pitch, 3 of 10. We've got Shearer, 5 of 5, Diamond, Masters of the Pitch. We've got a quad booklet, Costa, Torres, Casillas, and Pique. We do have Xavi, 9 of 10. I kind of went, the good ones were the ones I already showed. 7 of 10, Blanco. Wesley Schneider, 10 of 10. That is jersey number, 10 of 10, Schneider. Rivaldo is 4 of 10. And 8 of 10 is Neuer. Coutinho. All right, you got it. All right, so Coutinho goes 5. All right, Brian, you got 6 and 7. Booklet and Lewandowski. Yeah, that seemed the logical way to go. All right, so you get the booklet and the Lewandowski. All right, so now this is where it starts getting a little bit more complicated. We've got Luigi Riva, 9 of 10. We've got Wesley Schneider, 10 of 10. We've got Rivaldo, 4 of 10. We've got Neuer, 8 of 10. I'm going to list all the available right here. Like I said, Blanco, 7 of 10. When it's your turn, Trong, I'll let me know which ones you want to see again, too. 5 of 5, Alan Shearer. And Xavi, trophy case, non-diamond, 9 of 10. So those are the 7 cards left right there. So we're back on, Will is back up again now, and then after Will is Trong. I'll ask Itke, but honestly, I think he's pretty, yeah, honestly, I don't think back in the meeting, but yeah, that one I can run by him. You took Coutinho already, Palmetto, but it's your next pick now. You get another pick. So you already have Coutinho. Coutinho is yours already. You already took Coutinho. It's a snake draft, so you get another pick now. Wow. All right, let me, because he's in a meeting, so let me, I'll well, keep throwing. He's like, here, just take all my cards. Give me the close it. Will, you already have Coutinho, so it's your next pick now. Yes, Brian, I'm gonna, as soon as I get off here, I'm gonna start working on shipping. Yeah, it's your next pick now, Will. You already got the Coutinho. Coutinho's yours. So there's what's left. Either Neuer, Rivaldo, those are non-autos. 10 of 10 Schneider, jersey number. There's Luigi Riva to 10. There's Xavi, there's Shearer, and there's that one there. Schneider. You want the Wesley Schneider jersey number. All right. So 10 of 10, jersey number, Wesley Schneider. Yeah, the last pick you don't even need to pick because you'll get also the last card, Will. Because there's 14 hits, so you and Brian will each get another card, too. All right. So this is Will. All right. Trong, you're up. Trong wants the Shearer. Okay, after Trong, we got Brian, and then we've got He. So Trong. Let's check on one thing here. There's what's left. Xavi, Rivaldo. Riva has a diamond. The others don't. Neuer, Rivaldo, Xavi, and Blanco, no diamond. Riva, diamond. 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. Correct. So the only one... Riva has a diamond. The rest are non-diamond to 10. Riva, yeah, that's what I would have taken. It's got the diamond. It's nicer. All right, let me send here a picture of these four. Let me see. Tape is going up. 3938. Did I not upload the tape for 20? Alright, let me just get my icky answer. Xavi. All right. All right, I'm going Rivaldo. I'm going Rivaldo. Next is Rivaldo for Icky inside. Yep, that is number 21. That was pick 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 8. Luigi Riva. Where did Luigi Riva go? There he is. That's Brian's pick. All right, who's up? Swiggy, you're up for one. Would you like the Xavi, the Neuer, or the other one? Swiggy, I'll take the man-made for on-card autos. The man... Oh, yeah, Xavi. Okay, you got it. All right, number 21. That is pick number 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. So, Brian, would you like Neuer or Blanco? Neuer or Blanco, and then whatever you don't take goes to Will. Neuer. All right, so Will, you also get the Blanco. So that goes to Neuer. That is spot number 13. And pick 14 is Blanco, 7 of 10, Mexico. That's going to Will. All right, I better get shipping, guys. I got a lot of shipping to do. Let's pick 14. I got a lot of sorting and shipping to get. Well, not sorting so much as shipping. All right, let me just do a quick recap of who got what. With pick 1 and pick 12, Swiggy, you got those two. You got the Ronaldo, 5 of 5, and the 9 of 10, Xavi. Congrats to Swiggy. He and yours truly, we got Close, 1 of 1, Diamond, and Rivaldo, 4 of 10. In the 3 spot, Brian got the, where's the gold piece? He got the gold piece, and on the way back, he got, where'd it go? That one right there. He got the Luigi Riva on the way back. That was for Brian. And then in the 4th spot, Ngia got the Maradona Trong. There you go. Maradona. And you also got the Shearer. 5 of 5. Maradona and Shearer. And that was a draft number 21. All right. And then in the 5 hole, we had Coutinho for Will. On the way back, Will got Wesley Schneider. And as the bonus pick, Will got Coutinho. So, sorry, Coutinho, Schneider, and Blanco. Coutinho, Schneider, and Blanco. Those are Will's 3 cards. And then in the last spot, 6-7 spot, had Lewandowski. You had the quad book for Spain, and you also got the Neuer auto in the 13 hole. Thank you, Brian. That does it, guys. That was not as sick as the first 2 cases, but hey, at least only bright spot was it had 14 cards. I will see you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. I'll post it. I'll definitely post another PYP tomorrow. We'll do another draft probably tomorrow night as well. And I'll leave it at that, guys. Thanks again for all the fills. All right, you sent for insurance. All right, thank you, Swiggy. Let me get down to getting these all set up and start working on shipping. All right, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you, Trong. Thank you, Swiggy. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, Will. Who did I leave out? Trong, Will, Brian, Swiggy, He. Anybody else watching? Paul. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Yeah, I'll. You sent money for insurance. All right. Just text me how much you wanted, and I'll put that much on. All right. Thanks again, guys. See you guys later.